Hello, students. This is Professor Munshi. I wanted to make this short introductory video for those of you who are very new and perhaps struggling with use of netacad.com. This is for CCNA 1 version 7. This NetAcad is becoming a little bit of a challenge for many of you. Some of you are not finding out how to open the chapters, how to find the right modules, how to find assignments, how to open a lab, how to download a lab, complete the lab, how to submit a lab, and so on. So I'm getting lots of email from you. So I wanted to do this video to show you how to maneuver within the NetAcad coursework that you have for CCNA 1 version 7. So let me show you, uh, go back, show you the screen first, and then let me show you how to log into NetAcad. We first log in, and once you log in, of course, you have to input your username and password. I already have my username and password already input in there. Therefore, I am in this course. So here is my CCNA course. I'm going to launch the course. Now, I'm sure you all are able to come to this screen. From here, where do we go? How do we find all the modules? Okay, I can click on right here where it says show you see the modules, or right here in the left, modules. What are the modules? Your modules are your chapters. So if I say open 1.2.5, you need to go to these modules. If I say open lab 2.5.5, click on these modules first. So click on the modules, and then let me double check whether it's recording. Okay, it is. Okay, so I'm in the modules. Okay, I clicked on the modules. Course introduction, first time in this course. Okay, if you're on the first time, go check it out. Student resource, check that out. But how to find out all the chapters, that's what I'm going to show you first. Then I'm going to show you how to find the labs. So here is where you go. Course content, the course content, that's where you go. Click on the introduction to network. Okay, here I am. Okay, it's too slow. Come on. Introduction to networks. Here I am. If I want to see now all the chapters, then I go right here. Always remember, from here, you don't know what to do, where to go right here. If you see my mouse, load introduction to network course in a new window. Just click on this. If you see my mouse, I'm going to take really time to make sure that you are seeing where my mouse is right now. Okay, so I click on it. Here I am, introduction to network. I am in the coursework. I am in the place where I can go all the chapters. I can write at the very end right here, introduction. Click on here to go further, go to the next slide. But what I want you to learn, I can keep on going like that, introduction, introduction, and so on. What I want you to learn is this. Right here, if you see my mouse, right here, course index. Again, course index. Click on it. Once you click on the course index, now you can see all the chapters. That is what I wanted you to know, that how to go to all the chapters, all the lab, find out anything you want. Okay, here I am. This networking today, number 1, number 2, basic networking, and so on. So if I click on here, I can even use my keyboard's up arrow key, and I go all the way right here. Now, if I want to go, say 1.1.1, network affect our lives. I would like to see this slide, this chapter. Click on here, and here I am. Okay, with my mouse or my scroll down or my keyboard down arrow key, I keep on going down all the way. I can see this video if I want to, and go more down. Okay, I finish this slide. Then on my left, if I click here, I go back to the earlier slide or to the previous slide, or go on my right. If I click on here, I go to my next slide. So that's how I maneuver. That's how I keep on going. Again, I go at the end of the slide, end of the page, and I see, I study this page all the way, and I do this assessment questions, quiz questions for learn, check your understanding, network components. So I check my understanding. If I answer something wrong, then if I do not know how to answer the question, I can check after answering the question, or I could say, then help me out, show me. So I click on if I show me, that shows me the right answers. So I learn that way. I can reset again. Anyway, I can again click on the right and go to the next module, 1.3.1, 1.3.2, and so on. Now, anytime I can again go back to my index. I want you to know this. Once you are here, you don't always have to go just the previous slide or the next slide. You cannot be stuck. What if you want to go to chapter number 10 right now in all in one jump? What do you do? Remember this one button right here. Always know that this is the course index. Click on it again, and that brings you back here. Now I'll tell you, as you saw the chapters, again I can go with my left with my down, scroll down to whatever chapter I want, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. Now some of you are having difficulty to find labs. Our first lab is 2.5.5, and let me show you how to find that. So I simply can scroll down and go to 2.5.5. Okay, 2.5.5, that's where I have to go. Well, I went too far back down right here. See this 2.5.5, it says packet tracer, configure initial switch settings, contains packet tracer file and text. So if I click on this module, that 2.5.5 module is going to open. Okay, so here I am. I'm going to click on it. I'm going really slow to help you all out. Okay, here is my 2.5.5. Once you see this 2.5.5, that slide right here, see there are two buttons. One is the text Acrobat file. Okay, that is the PDF file. Configure initial switch settings. Another is configure initial switch settings, but that's a blue color. That's your lab, that's your packet tracer. If you click on this button, then it's a download. Of course, it shows the download. The packet tracer lab, that file, packet tracer file, is going to be downloaded to your computer. If you click on this one, you can only find the instruction in the PDF file. So for the lab, now I'm showing you how to do the lab. Okay, so you click on here on this blue button, configure initial switch. So what did I do? Anybody who is still confused, what I did, I first went to 2.5.5. I went to the right slide. Okay, and there you will always see these labs like that. What if I want to go to another lab? I think 2.7 point something is another lab that we have. And how do I find out this? I can also see the assignments. Look, if I click on the assignments, I see all these assignments. I have another lab. These are my lab assignments. Okay, 2.7.6 is another lab. So don't click on it. You go to the modules. Okay, as I am already in the modules right here in this window. So 2.7.6, that's where I have to go. How do I go there now from here? Again, go right here to the index, course index. Click on it. Okay, and then you can either scroll down to 2.7.6 or just do this Control F. Control F will bring you a search box. You can type up 2.7.6 and it's going to take me right here 2.7.6. I can see right here. Okay, and so scroll down. Here is my 2.7.6 packet tracer. So I click on it. See, it takes me down all the way to there, 2.7.6. There's another lab. This blue button is the packet tracer file that's going to help me download the lab. And I'm going very slowly, repeating to you all the way on purpose so that no confusion remains. You don't have to email me anymore. You know how to open the labs. Okay, now I'm going to click on it and I'm going to open the lab. Let me click on it. As I click, something is going to download. Okay, it is asking me which location to download. Depending on how your browser is configured, it may just download in your download folder by default. or it may download to wherever you are going to. I have downloaded all this packet tracer in the past. It shows those. This one is 2.7.6 packet tracer. It's going to download right now. I click on save. I chose my downloads folder. Now I click on save. Now it has been saved. I can open my download folder. I'm going to see that file, or I can see this file right here. It's been downloaded. Okay, show in the folder, or I'm going to open. I'm going to click on open the packet tracer. Since I already have packet tracer program downloaded and installed in my machine, I am able to open up this lab. Okay, as I'm opening the lab, the packet tracer program is going to open. Okay, and for those of you who do not know, who do not have the packet tracer program downloaded and installed yet, I'll show you how to download the packet tracer program and install it also. Okay, so for right now, I'm just opening the lab. It takes a little bit time for the packet tracer program to open up. So I downloaded the lab, then I double clicked on it, executable file, and it's opening up. And I'll show you once it opens up. So let's keep on waiting. Sometimes you're not able to click anywhere. You're trying to click and it doesn't let you click. So lab opened up, but why can't I click on it? See, can I click on it? It just makes a noise. It doesn't let you click because another little window is hidden. That's I need to tell you. There is a hidden window. Look, I go to my taskbar and I see this packet tracer right here. So, oh yeah, there are three windows. See this little window right here? User profile. That window is been hiding. That's why I cannot click on these other windows. So here is my window. Again, on the taskbar. On the taskbar, I see this packet tracer icon. I put my mouse on the packet tracer icon and I see this user profile. So click on that window first. Now you can see this little window, it was hiding. So that window, you got to type your name. Okay. My name is Munshi. I'm going to type here Munshi and I click on OK. Okay. Yes. Always type your own name. Now the packet tracer opens. Now I can see there are two windows, my friends. In the background, you can see this packet tracer, and here is my instruction window. Both are here. If I click on here, on this big window, the instruction window is gone. How do I bring it back? Again, on the taskbar, see this packet tracer icon, and you see the two windows are here. Then I can click on this one. This window is going to come back again. So what I do to do the lab, I click on this middle button called restore. I'm not going to maximize this window, restore. So the window becomes small. Okay, restore right here. And I'm going to resize the window to here, that. Then this other window, that's the instruction. Instruction also, I'm going to resize it so it will occupy half of my screen. So now I have side by side two windows open. One is my configuration window and one is my instruction window. I need these two windows open side by side. So now what I can do my lab by following the instruction here and doing it here. Okay, that's how lab is done. Now I can follow the instruction. Okay, part one objective, okay, background, okay, part one, step one, configure S1 with a host name. So I'm going to click on S1 and do the host. Okay, I'm not going to do the lab right now for you, but I'm just showing you just a bit of it. Just the part one, say step one. I'm going to show you how to do this. Configure S1 with a host name. Okay, so it tells me click on S1 and then click on the CLI tab. Enter the correct command to configure the host name. So I'm going to do that. Here is my S1 switch. I'm going to click on it. But by the way, I plan to do more videos for you for the labs. Either I'm going to direct you the YouTube lab videos that are already done by other people. Those labs are done by other people. So I could just simply, show you those videos and you could see from there. Or if I have time, I am going to myself do the videos for you for the labs as well. I don't promise, but I'll try. In the list, I'm going to show you a video, either mine or somebody else's. So let me click on S1. As I click on S1, S1 opens up. Here's my CLI tab, and I can resize always, make it a little bit bigger. And I need to click on here and press enter. Here, I'm in the switch. So I'm going to go to privileged exec mode. So I'm going to type enable, E-N-A-B-L-E, enable, enter. I'm in the privileged exec mode. I'm going to go to the global config mode, C-O-N-F-I-G. C-O-N-F-I-G is too small writing for me here in this laptop. Okay, config, then T, configure terminal. Okay, press enter. I'm in the global config mode. Then I can type the hostname command, H-O-S-T-N-A-M-E, hostname. And what is the hostname? Hostname should be S1, capital S1. I can press enter. Now the Swiss's name became hostname. That's how I continue to follow one by one step of the instruction. And I already gave you the videos which will show you how to do the lab. So you have that. That's not a problem. So now I'm just showing you how to open up the lab, where to find the lab, how to open the lab in Packet Tracer. Now, after all the steps are done, then what you do? After all the steps are done, all the way to the bottom of it, you're gonna see right here. If you see my screen, it says completion 4%. 4% has been completed. If I click on this check result, again, look at my mouse. It comes all the way down here, check results right here. I'm moving my mouse, okay? Click. If I check my results, then this window opens up. And I would like to see where I stand, how much have I done, how much wrong or right I have done. I click on this assessment items and it says, oh, okay, everything is wrong. Of course, I didn't do anything yet. Only thing I have done is that assigning the host name. Okay, that's one thing I have done, and it shows the check mark right here. See, so that one item I have done. That's why I got 4% credit so far. So how do I get out of here? Just close this little window. Say close right here, or you can close from here with the cross button. Close it. You're back. Now you still have this instruction window open and the configuration window open, so you can keep on doing more. Now, after the lab is completely done and I see completion 100% right here. Again, if it is less than 100%, I have done something wrong. Then again, I'm telling you, I go right here, check results, and I check which item, which step I have done wrong. It tells me that. Okay. Again, I'm going to show one more time the same thing. I click on check results, it's repeating. Click on the assessment items right here, and I show all the items. Whatever item I have done wrong or I have not done shows the cross mark right here. These are not done. And the ones that are done correctly shows the check mark. And then I close this window. It's a repeat. Okay. Now, put this back here again. After the lab is completely done, then what I do, I have to save this lab, save this file. I go click on the file. I'm in the Packet Tracer. File, save as, and it's going to show this with this name. So it's a save into whatever folder you want. Okay, I am going to save it, say on my desktop or whatever folder I want. On the desktop, I'm going to save it. This 2.7.6 save. I saved it on the desktop. Okay, my lab is done. It has been saved. Now what I do? Well, now I can close it. I can close the lab. Now how do I submit the lab? Has my lab been submitted? No. I have completed my lab and I saved the file. That lab, it has not been submitted to my professor yet. So I'm not going to get any credit. It has not been uploaded to NetAcad yet. So how do I do that? So I click on here on this NetAcad again. I click on the assignments. Okay, I see all these assignments. That's when you go to that particular assignment that you need to upload now, submit now. So here I have done 2.7.6, but I am the instructor. In my view, I am not going to have the submit button. Okay, so I won't be able to show you exactly how to submit, but I click on here. Once you click on here, you're going to see this screen, similar screen to me like that, and you're going to have a button here somewhere, submit assignment. I don't have that, okay, because I'm the instructor. So in your view, you are going to have in this screen, submit assignment, that kind of button. Again, I click on the assignment, see all the list of the assignment, I choose the correct assignment, and then I click on it. Okay, come on, it's too slow for me. Okay, again, I click on the assignment. This one's a 2.5.5 per se. I have done this one. Then I'm gonna have a submit assignment button. Click on the submit assignment and you upload that file. Then you have to browse and save. You just choose that file that you saved. Make sure you upload that file. Okay, then you're done with the lab. Okay, now that's your lab. Now, those of you who do not have the packet tracer program, how do you download that? You go to this my NetAcad or home. Let me see from the home I can do it or not. Not from the home. I go to this one right here, my NetAcad. So click on my NetAcad. Okay, and here you have resources. In this window, you all are gonna see. All gonna see as you log in this landing page. In this page, you go to the resources on the top, resources menu, and here is your download packet tracer. Okay, here it is, download packet tracer. You click on it. Now in this download page, you're gonna go down all the way, download, and here Windows desktop version 7.3.1, 64-bit. That's what I'm gonna download. Most of you are gonna be needing this one. If any of you have Mac, here is your Mac download, or Linux is Linux download. However, most of you would have Windows 64-bit, so this is your download. You click on it and you download it, the way you download any other app, and after that you make sure you double click and install it, then you have it. Okay, so I showed you how to do the packet tracer, how to open a lab, how to save a lab, how to upload a lab, how do you take an exam. Well, let me show you that also. Again, I go to the home. Okay, NetAcad. Okay, I'm gonna launch the course right here. Once you come to this landing page, you click on launch course. Then the course is launched. Now you click on assignments. On the top, you see all these lab assignments. So you keep on going down, keep on going down. These are all labs. I assigned all the labs now. Here is your module group exams. So you have to scroll down. Here is your exam number 1, next exam, and all of those. So the first exam, you just click on it. Mine and yours view would be different. My view, I'm the instructor, I'm not going to have that exam taking option, but you're going to have to click on it, and then that's going to let you take the exam. Okay, for me it's a different menu. uh, that doesn't help you, but this is where you are going to go to take the exam. So hope that helps. And so let's see if I missed anything. If I still missed something, just reach me out. But I hope that now you will be able to maneuver within the NetAcad and get your labs done, chapters done, exams done, study done. I hope that helps. Again, thank you so much. I know you all are very, very much new. So I will be uploading more videos in the future, and maybe I may even, there are some chapters, those will be challenging for you. I may help you out, uploading some videos, instructional videos for you. So this will be it for this particular video. I hope it helps. Thank you so much. Bye.